boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have song here, HOLA PERDIDA from La Croix and Khea. Alright, so this one goes for all you Spanish speaking friends out there. We have this 4 chords that goes round and round through entire song here. We do that with the capo set on the 3rd fret. With that, we have the easiest chords possible with this melody that works very well. So yeah, capo on 3rd, let's go over the chords. We have first the B minor. You place the bar here on the 2nd fret. You don't have to bar the last E string, so 5 strings here, counted from bottom and up, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. The B minor there. You continue with the bar chord here, the F sharp minor. Still on the 2nd fret, now you bar all strings, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D, the F sharp minor. We have the A next, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And finally, the E. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Alright, so we're gonna take a look at this melody first and then learn the strumming pattern for it. So B minor, F sharp, A, and E, that's the order in the song of the chords. So the melody goes here. If you just grab the chords as they are, you're gonna play like this for B minor. 2 times, same pattern. So that will be 2nd on A, 4th on G, 3rd on B, and 1st on E. Yeah, actually not. So 2nd on A, 4th on D, G, 3rd on B, and 2nd on E. So 2nd on E in the end there, my fault. So that's the B minor melody. The next is F sharp, all right? So you're gonna play this part. That is 2nd on E, 4th on D, 2nd on G, and 2nd on B. You play that for 2 rounds. And we have the A. So that is open A, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. You play that for 2 rounds. And then we have the final chord, the E. It goes for 2 rounds. So that is open E, 2nd D, 1st G, and open B for 2 rounds. So the melody from beginning till the very end goes. That's all right. So let's gonna look at the strumming pattern now, and we have the start again with the B minor. 1 strumming around is very common of this kind of music, the down, up, clap, up. Okay, so that's 1 round. Down, up, clap, up. And a couple of rounds goes. Alright, so you're gonna play 4 string rounds per chord, the same order, B minor, F sharp, A, and E, like this. 2, 3, 4, F sharp, A, and E. Alright, not that ending perhaps, but anyway, I think you understand. That's a song called HOLA PERDIDA. Good luck with this one and play tuned.